Hi friends, I am Sundar Raman, serving society as a parental coach. I enable parents to be effective in their role and help them overcome their parental anxieties and insecurity, ensuring their parenting becomes very easy and more rewarding. We do this by doing one-on-one counseling, organizing seminars, workshops, and online counseling, online courses for parents. In the last 5 years, we have enabled around 3,50,000 parents, and we are working on a mission to enable 50 lakh parents by 2024. We are now a team of 346 professional coaches serving 6 nations across the globe. How many of you think parenting yesterday was easier than parenting today? If yes, why? We do have the I am here to address your few questions. Here parents are very much worried about routine of kids in lockdown that has been disturbed a lot. And you see, parents have been worried about excessive screening, viewing by children. My child watches TV, mobile phone constantly. What I'm going to do? How I'm going to improve sharing with my child? How can we manage tantrums? How can we correct them without punishing them? And here, to address these are known answers, but here I am unable to express it in the right way, or she doesn't like to write. How to encourage him her to write? My child shows lack of confidence. How can I improve? What are the rules that my team is rebel? Do peers have more influence? What if my teen won't talk to me? And many more questions arises in our mind. So as a parent, our society trains people to every type of job: computer programming, hairdressing, law, teaching, medicine, every vocation. That is except parenting. That is most important of all. So here there are some benefits when you do parent coaching. Parent anxieties are overcome, thereof stress is reduced, anger and frustration level are better managed, parenting values and belief are brought into focus, parent becoming easier, that is more rewarding, less reactive and more proactive parenting. Benefits: it gives greater confidence, more control on difficult situations, effective communication, sound coping strategy of problem solving, greater enjoyment of life for the whole family. So on this we have a 4-day short-term program on development parenting, wherein day one you have effective engagement plan in lockdown, how to reduce impact on screens, on eyes and brain, improve concentration rules watching television. Day 2, how can we manage tantrums by reconditioning, consciousness among parents, more appropriate approach, effective sharing model, effective communication, avoid and ignore modern approach of parenting. Day 3 will be learning on art of praising, 7 principles of appreciation praise, impact of tagging, do's and don'ts, bribe versus reward, make telling truth easier, respond versus reaction. Therefore, how to establish discipline, 5 C's of parenting. And during this 4 day of package, content of PPT will be shared, recording will be shared, 2 ebooks will be shared, login detail for couple will be shared, certification of participation will be issued, and tips for every alternate day for 1 year will be given. The registration fees is 499 rupees. You can you can pay it through Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, and for contact details Google Forms will be shared. Thank you.